Tayo sa pinagda na changes sa mga nasirang maraming buhay ang binawi ng bagyong Tino.
It's when our planet's temperature rises due to too much CO2 in the air. This causes extreme weather, rising sea levels, and more. But we can help. Simple things like reducing plastic, saving energy, and planting trees can make a big difference.
Did you know that climate change affects us all? Rising temperature, extreme weather, and melting ice cap are just a few of many impacts.
But here's the thing. We can make a difference by spreading awareness and taking small action. We can reduce our carbon footprints and create a more sustainable future.
As rainfall is to spread awareness and take action on climate change. Together we can make a difference. Eating our trees are heroes against climate change. They absorb CO2, produce oxygen, and cool our planets. In the Philippines, trees protect community from extreme weather and support biodiversity. Let's plant more.
Dig a hole and give it love. Every tree counts.
Plant trees, save the planet. Small action, big impact. Keep spreading awareness and taking action.